two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 5 hours and 10 hours respectively. If both pipes are open together, how much time will be taken to fill the tank? So here in this question, we have two pipes A and B. Means A is filling the tank in 5 hours, B is filling the tank in 10 hours. If both are operating simultaneously, we have to find out the time they will take to fill the complete tank. So this is the question. So if we see the calculations first, simply if A is taking 5 hours to fill the complete tank, in 1 hour it will fill 1/5 of the tank. That means 1/5 of tank in 1 hour. So to understand this concept here, complete tank in 5 hours, 1/5 in 1 hour. Just see the three examples which is given here. If the tank capacity is 5 liters, then A can fill 1 liter in 1 hour, because the rate at which A is filling is 1/5 of the tank in 1 hour. If the tank capacity is 10 hours, then A is filling 2 liters in 1 hour, but the ratio is 1/5, 1 by 5. And if the tank has 15 liters capacity, then A would fill 15 liters, 3 liters in 1 hour, but the ratio remains the same, 1/5. So if complete tank is filled in 5 hours, 1/5 of the tank will be filled in 1 hour. In the case of B, it can fill the complete tank in 10 hours. That means 1/10 portion of the tank will be filled in 1 hour by the pipe B when it is only operating. For example, if the tank capacity is 5 liters, then I can say that half liter will be filled in 1 hour. That means 1 liter in 2 hours. So if the tank has 10 liters of water, then B can fill 1 liter in 1 hour. That is 1/10 of the portion. If you take the example 3, for example, if the tank capacity is 15 liters, then B will fill 1.5 liter in 1 hour. So by this way also, the pipe B is filling 1/10 of the tank in 1 hour. So we have to find out A and the time taken by A and B working together. So by considering the same logic for A and B individually, we have seen A and B, if they are operating together, A is filling 1/5 of tank in 1 hour and B is filling 1/10 of tank in 1 hour. So combined they will fill 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 in 1 hour. That means 1 by 5 and 1 by 10 will be equivalent to 3 by 10. That means if they are operating together, 3/10 of the tank will be filled in 1 hour. That means if the tank, as the denominator is 10, let us assume that the tank was 10 liters capacity. So operating together, A and B will fill 3 liters out of 10 liters in 1 hour. Similarly, so now we can just calculate approximate time. 3 liters in 1 hour, 6 liters in 2 hours, 9 liters in 10 hours. The time taken by A and B both to completely fill the tank will be 10 by 3 hours. That will be 3.33 hours, or we can say 3 hours 20 minutes. So this was the calculation part, and hope you have understood the problem. But in order to make you thorough with this topic of pipe and systems, so that you will never forget this topic from next time onwards, you'll see some graphical representations of this. So for example, pipe A, as you can see on your screen, is filling the tank, and you can see 1 liter has already been filled after 30 minutes, and then after 1 hour 2 liters were filled. So this is the rate at which pipe A is filling the tank. In 1.5 hours, pipe A will fill 3 liters. So likewise, in 2 hours it will fill 4, and it is taking total of 5 hours to fill 10 liters. In case of pipe B is operating a little bit slower. In 1 hour the pipe is filling 1 liter, as you can see on your screen, and 2 hours the pipe will fill 2 liters. In 3 hours the pipe will fill 3 liters. So the rate at which pipe B is filling is 1 liter per hour, assuming that the tank is of 10 liters capacity. So when they are operating together, A and B will fill the tank at a much faster speed because they are open together simultaneously. So as you can see, within 2 hours they have completed 6. So if we see them all together, the three scenarios which were given in the question, pipe A, pipe B, and when they are operating together. So at the end of first hour, if pipe A is opened alone, it can fill 2 liters of the, that means if the tank is 10 liters capacity, it will fill 2 liters, that is 2 portions. And pipe B will fill only 1 liter, that means 1 out of 10 liters, that is 1/10 portion of the tank. And if they are operating together, they will fill 3 liters in 1 hour. So if you could just observe, A will fill 2 liters, B will fill 1 liter. So combine both of them, they will fill 3 liters. 3 liters in 1 hour, 6 liters in 2 hours, 9 liters in 3 hours, and for 10 liters they will fill in 3 hours and 20 minutes, which was the calculations which we have seen earlier. So hope you have understood the question, and thank you, and we will move on to the next lecture.